Welcome to another episode of Daily AI Brief. Today, we dive into the latest advancements and news from the world of artificial intelligence. We'll explore NVIDIA's new groundbreaking AI model, discuss innovative tools for video editing, dissect the new US AI policy framework, delve into multi agent orchestration techniques, and unpack the latest benchmarking tool from Hugging Face. Whether you're an AI enthusiast or a seasoned developer, there's something here for everyone. Let's get started. This week, NVIDIA released the Nemotron-Cascade 2, marking a significant advancement in contemporary AI model development. At the core of its design is a staggering 30 billion parameters, with 3 billion actively engaged for processing. This strategic utilization aligns with the cutting-edge Mixture of Experts (MOE) architecture, which optimizes performance and reduces computational demands. In MOE systems, only the necessary parameters are activated for specific tasks, enhancing both efficiency and precision without the overhead of fully engaging the entire parameter set. A key improvement in Nemotron-Cascade 2 is its enhanced cascade reinforcement learning. This method trains the model through layered complexities, refining decision-making capabilities progressively. Additionally, it employs multi-domain on-policy distillation, a sophisticated technique that capitalizes on knowledge distilled from numerous intermediate models. By integrating learnings from various domains, it fortifies reasoning and decision-making capacities, enabling robust performance in diverse scenarios. Notably, the model is synergistically designed to align with NVIDIA's DGX cloud platform, ensuring seamless integration and deployment capabilities for enterprises leveraging cloud infrastructure. This integration offers scalable solutions for developers and researchers, easing the operational transition from concept to implementation. In terms of benchmarking, Nemotron-Cascade 2 has demonstrated outstanding prowess by achieving gold medal level performance in prestigious competitions like the International Mathematical Olympiad, rivaling contemporary AI models with far greater parameter counts. Despite its efficiency, specific performance metrics against top-tier competitors remain undisclosed, yet its competitive stance is evident. The technical and practical rollout is not without challenges. Potential scalability issues loom as the model operates at its current parameter capacity. Furthermore, integrating the model into real-world applications presents uncharted complexities, from adapting its reasoning for unpredictable environments to ensuring that its sophisticated architecture can be effectively utilized across varying industry needs. For practitioners, the availability of the model on open platforms like GitHub allows for extensive experimentation. Developers are encouraged to explore code examples and leverage NVIDIA's APIs to incorporate Nemotron-Cascade 2 into existing systems, promoting a hands-on approach to innovation and application. The open-source nature also fosters a collaborative atmosphere, inviting global participants to contribute and enhance the model. Ultimately, Nemotron-Cascade 2 exemplifies how extraordinary AI functionalities can be compacted into a more efficient, less resource-intensive package. Its release sets a new standard in AI model architecture, potentially influencing future design paradigms and encouraging a broader reevaluation of how AI models are conceptualized and implemented for real-world utility. Fudan University's latest innovation, EffectErase, is poised to transform the landscape of video editing by offering an unparalleled ability to seamlessly remove unwanted objects and people from footage. This advancement is centered around a novel technique named Video Object Removal, VOR, empowered by an expansive dataset comprising 60,000 curated video pairs. These pairs span a variety of object types and contexts, providing a comprehensive foundation for training and evaluating the model's efficacy. At the core of EffectErase's functionality lies reciprocal learning coupled with task-aware region guidance. These methodologies enhance the precision of object removal by maintaining a keen understanding of the video's contextual nuances. By optimizing these areas, EffectErase achieves smoother transitions and coherent background synthesis, sharply addressing gaps left by previous technologies such as ROSE and SVOR, which often struggled with maintaining background coherence during object removal. The introduction of the VOR dataset marks a significant milestone. It facilitates robust model training across a wide array of scenarios, equipping EffectErase to handle diverse challenges effectively. This is particularly beneficial when dealing with complex elements such as fluctuating lighting conditions, though these variables still require further real-world validation. Despite these potential obstacles, EffectErase has demonstrated superior results in benchmark evaluations, consistently outperforming older methodologies. EffectErase's ability to synthesize convincing post-editing visuals is underscored by its insertion-removal consistency objective. This ensures that once an object is removed, the remaining scene appears natural and undistorted, crucial for maintaining authenticity in media production. While the potential for advancing content creation workflows is substantial, especially in film and advertising sectors, the technology does not escape controversial implications. As with any powerful tool, the risk of misuse exists. Ethical concerns regarding the alteration of media authenticity and deceptive practices are important considerations that must be addressed as this technology evolves. This places a moral responsibility on users and developers alike to ensure transparency and integrity in its application. For enthusiasts and professionals eager to delve deeper, the EffectErase paper at ab/250818-33 offers comprehensive details. Meanwhile, existing tools like Magic Eraser to/lichdiller.zine.ai's Magic Eraser UTM source OpenAI provide practical avenues to explore similar capabilities in current workflows. In conclusion, EffectErase not only paves the way for revolutionary advancements in video editing precision, but also sets new industry standards, reshaping creative workflows. As this tool becomes integrated into more video editing software, its influence will likely drive both innovative practices and critical conversations around the ethical dimensions of media manipulation. The United States is taking strategic steps to redefine its landscape of artificial intelligence, AI, integration, specifically in the energy sector. This move, announced by President Trump's administration, is encapsulated in a comprehensive national AI policy framework designed to strengthen U.S. leadership in AI innovation. Central to this framework are proposed legislative measures that aim to address critical areas such as child safety, community protections, and the federal preemption of state AI laws, while propelling national economic and technological growth. At the heart of the framework is a concerted effort to eliminate outdated regulatory barriers that have historically stifled the rapid advancement of AI technologies. By streamlining these barriers and encouraging robust public-private partnerships, the United States seeks to create a fertile environment for AI proliferation. This approach aligns with the administration's broader initiatives, particularly through substantial investments anticipated to exceed $90 billion in both energy and technology sectors by mid-2025. These investments are crucial in accelerating the deployment of AI technologies, reinforcing infrastructure development, and fostering innovation. The significance of Executive Order 14179, enacted in January 2025, is evident as it establishes foundational steps for the U.S. to achieve a competitive edge in global AI leadership. However, the framework still faces ambiguity in terms of policy enactment details, where the specifics of governance and enforcement measures are not entirely clear. This lack of clarity could potentially lead to legal challenges, especially regarding the balance of power between federal and state jurisdictions over AI regulatory authority. From a developer's perspective, the framework opens several doors for engagement and collaboration. By participating in federal initiatives like the Genesis mission, which focuses on aligning energy technologies with AI to improve efficiency and sustainability, developers can leverage opportunities to contribute to these transformative projects. Furthermore, keeping abreast of legislative developments via platforms like the Bipartisan Policy Center may provide insights into emerging policy trends and aid in aligning their innovations with national objectives. If successfully implemented, the framework has the potential to significantly bolster the U.S.'s position on the global AI stage. It could facilitate not only technological, but also economic advancements by fostering innovation in AI-driven energy solutions. In turn, this might set a precedent for similar sector-specific policies in areas such as healthcare and education, enhancing the focus on community-oriented impacts. Overall, as the U.S. gears towards this new era of AI integration, success hinges on balancing the rapid pace of AI innovation with the necessary ethical and governance frameworks. The implications of these policy shifts will likely reverberate across industries, establishing new industry standards and potentially reshaping the future of energy infrastructure through groundbreaking technologies. The strategic approach embedded in this framework aims not only to capitalize on AI's transformative potential, but also to advance sustainability and competitiveness on the national and international fronts. In the rapidly evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, ClawTeam stands out by leveraging OpenAI's function calling to revolutionize multi-agent orchestration. This open-source framework is designed to seamlessly execute complex goals across diverse autonomous applications, improving collaboration among AI agents. ClawTeam builds on OpenAI's educational swarm framework, introducing essential concepts like routines and handoffs. These elements facilitate nuanced management of agent behaviors, which is crucial for tasks requiring coordinated execution. Agents can dynamically transition tasks, ensuring continuity and efficiency in workflows. This makes the orchestration process considerably more flexible, accommodating various applications that demand real-time responsiveness. Despite the lack of specific disclosed benchmarks, ClawTeam's infrastructure, powered by the back-end and front-end components generated using DataButton, is optimized for simplicity and operational efficiency. The integration of OpenAI's function calling enhances the system's ability to manage complex workflows, utilizing agents as building blocks, interfacing with external tools, thereby increasing interoperability. For developers keen on practical application, ClawTeam offers a comprehensive tutorial accessible through a GitHub repository. This includes a detailed video demonstration showcasing multi-agent use cases and enabling developers to experiment with and adapt the framework to their specifications. These resources are crucial for those looking to implement ClawTeam's capabilities in their own projects. Nevertheless, the framework is not free from challenges. As an open-source platform, it shares vulnerabilities common to such ecosystems, exemplified by the claw drain incident. This highlights the necessity for rigorous security measures and vigilant monitoring during deployment, particularly when handling sensitive operations. Despite these challenges, ClawTeam presents a significant step forward for developers aiming to streamline AI interactions. Its emphasis on multi-agent coordination offers substantial benefits to industries like robotics and logistics, where real-time collaborative actions are paramount. By simplifying complex multi-agent interactions, ClawTeam potentially lowers the barrier for developers exploring advanced AI systems, encouraging further innovations and setting a precedent in multi-agent orchestration frameworks. Hugging Face's SpeedBench is setting a new standard for evaluating speculative decoding algorithms. Introduced in February 2026, it brings a comprehensive, unified approach to testing. This new benchmark aims to address many of the limitations noted in previous frameworks, such as insufficient task diversity and inadequate support for throughput assessments. One of the critical advancements in SpeedBench is its division into two distinct data splits: qualitative and throughput. The qualitative split focuses on speculation quality, delving into how accurately AI models can predict and generate meaningful outputs. This aspect is crucial for applications where the quality of the generated content profoundly impacts the end-user experience. On the other hand, the throughput data split aims to measure system-level performance under varying load conditions, observing how well models can maintain performance across different input lengths. This is essential for real-world applications where speed and efficiency are as vital as accuracy. By integrating with popular production engines like VLLM and TensorRT LLM, SpeedBench allows developers to gather realistic performance metrics, going beyond synthetic evaluation scenarios that often fail to replicate actual user environments. This integration is designed to uncover potential performance bottlenecks that were previously overlooked, especially in throughput-oriented evaluations, making the benchmark incredibly insightful for developers focused on system optimization. One practical step for developers and researchers is to access the SpeedBench dataset through its Hugging Face repository. By testing benchmark capabilities with VLLM and TensorRT-LLM, users can assess how their speculative decoding models perform in a setting that closely mirrors real-world constraints and opportunities. Despite its significant improvements, SpeedBench is not without its limitations. There remain challenges in capturing the full spectrum of real-world scenarios, and the benchmark's generalizability across different large language models, LLMs, and production environments could vary. This could lead to debates about the true diversity and the representativeness of tasks included. The introduction of SpeedBench is a decisive move towards standardizing evaluation metrics in speculative decoding. This offers developers a more robust framework for comparing algorithms across diverse scenarios, potentially leading to better optimization choices for enterprises focused on leveraging AI more effectively. As these standards take hold, we may see companies increasingly rely on them for high-stakes decision-making in AI model deployment. As the field continues to evolve, SpeedBench could become a catalyst for similar benchmarking innovations in other AI research areas, further elevating industry practices and pushing the boundaries of what these technologies can achieve. And that's a wrap on today's Daily AI Brief. From NVIDIA's cutting-edge models to the latest in U.S. policy frameworks, these developments are shaping the future of AI. As always, each innovation opens new doors for exploration and challenge. Stay curious, stay informed, and join us next time as we continue to explore the dynamic world of AI advancements.